You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this animal, and I know there's quite a bit of confusion about how to pronounce the name of this rodent. It's from South America, except Chile. In Spanish, therefore in South America, it's pronounced capybara. In English, it can be pronounced two different ways. Capybara, just like the Spanish way, and that's my preferred pronunciation. It's closer to the South American capybara, but it can also be pronounced as capybara. Yes, that's also a correct pronunciation in English, not in Spanish. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.